We'll guide you through how to make YouTube music playlist private. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the YouTube Music application on your device and wait for it to finish loading. After the application opens, look at the navigation menu located at the bottom of the screen. Find the Library button and tap it to open your music library. Once the library page opens, you will see all of the playlists that are available in your account. Browse through the list and choose the playlist that you want to make private. Tap the playlist to open its details page. After the playlist opens, look for the Edit button located near the Play button. Tap the Edit button to open the Playlist Settings menu. Inside the playlist settings, you will see several options that can be changed. For this tutorial, find and tap the Visibility option. The Visibility settings page will open and display 3 different visibility options that you can choose from. Review the available options and then tap Private to make the playlist visible only to you. After selecting the Private option, wait a moment for the setting to be applied. Once the change has been saved, return to the playlist page to verify the result. You can review the playlist information to confirm that the visibility has been updated. If you want to change the visibility again in the future, open the playlist and tap the same Edit button. Return to the Visibility option and select a different setting according to your preference. The process can be repeated whenever needed. Making a playlist private is useful when you do not want other people to view or access it. After following these steps, your selected playlist will be set to private and only available through your own account. You have successfully changed the playlist visibility by opening the playlist settings. You can use the same method for any other playlist in your library.